GO Transit says rail service has been suspended at 2 stations in Hamilton and Milton. It says its service may be busier than usual as a result of a work stoppage at Canadian Pacific Kansas City. CPKC and Canadian National Railway locked out 9,300 engineers, conductors, and yard workers shortly after midnight after the parties failed to agree on a new contract before a deadline. Commuters in Montreal and Vancouver are expected to be impacted as well. Both railways haul a combined $1 billion of goods per day across Canada, including grain and fuel shipments, which will also be impacted.